No, I'm not doing the intro.
What's up, you dirty little hoggers? We're back after a long awaited time to the legendary Yankeetown. We're going, it's out of snook season, so we're just gonna, if we catch snook, it's gonna be cool, but we're gonna try and kill some redfish today. If it is what it is, we're doing artificial only. We got gulp as kind of a midway between artificial and real. Still technically artificial, but I'm gonna be throwing a top water and then a swim bait, and Logan's gonna be throwing gulp and a swim bait. So stick tuned. Hopefully the fish are biting. It's a beautiful 80-degree day. We just had some rain come through, so I'm hoping that didn't turn them off. If anything, I hope it turned them on. But we shall see, and we'll catch you on the water. Oh, I just got smoked.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you got him. Oh.
Missed him. Snook too.
Damn, dude, that's cool. He didn't feel it. He's still there.
Oh man, that was epic.
Definitely a snook.
Yeah, I saw the snook too. It was probably 22, 4. He's still here. Oh, he was just by my kayak.
Huh?
He was just at my kayak, like right next to me.
Really?
Oh, that was sick. There we are. Fish. Fish on. Redfish. Nice. Yeah, little red. On the top water. I think today might be a top water day. This bait was way bigger than you expected, bud, wasn't it? You don't got hooked right in the tummy. Good to eat though, man. On the top water. That's funny, last video, or 2 videos ago, I was catching fish 10 times your size on that bait. And you're still eating it. Thanks, Bubba. That was sick. That was freaking sick. Top water.
Anything else?
I saw a 2-tail red over here.
Oh, back in that creek?
Yeah?
Like 7, 8 redfish.
Why didn't you catch them?
Huh?
Catch them. Did you try gulp?
Huh?
Did you try the gulp?
Yeah.
Huh.
Oh. And eventually I had to keep getting closer to try to get to the ones up farther, and then they all spooked. Yeah, they're way back in that creek.
Huh. Fish. What do I got? Ooh, that's a good fish. Kinda. It's a drum. It's the redfish species of target. However, it's short. And he just bent my hook somehow doing that. That's crazy. These hooks suck. Oh, that's what I get from making my own jigs, though. They bend out so easily. But thanks, Mr. Red. Relax, please. Hey, come on. On the old gulper. Nice little, I don't know, 13, 14. Little rat red. Come on, bud. Thanks, though. Now the fish. Little update, fishing slow. I'm gonna go try bounce to a far out island I've never fished before, so this could be interesting. But I'm gonna troll along the way, so maybe I can pick up a sea trout or something. So we'll catch you at the next island. Alrighty, y'all, pulling up to probably my favorite island here in Yankeetown. Caught some nice snook and red. No, not many reds off of here, but some nice snook off of this point there. So let's see if high tide produces anything for me. And let's fish around this island. Oh, damn, that's a fish. There's my snook. I was telling you about it. He's on the rocks. This ain't good. Get around the rocks. Come on, keep going. Get around them. Oh yeah, beauty of a snook. Stay off the rocks. There we are. Got him in. Oh, under the boat. Come back. Yep, there we are. Come here. Oh. Oh. He's under the boat. Come here. That's a beauty. Come on. If I had a net right now, this would be a lot easier. There you are, you're on shore. Smooth. Oh, come on, almost there. Get spun around. There we are. Boom, got him. Yeah, yeah, baby. On the gulp. The gulpy. There we are. Yeah, about a 24. There's the beauty. Right in the corner where the gulp should be. Barely had him. Woo! Look at there, y'all. I'm hoping y'all got a good video of that. But there he is. Yes, sir. Let's take a picture, send to the boys. Show that I'm better than them. Sorry, Logan and Noah. I'm better. I'm better, baby. Here we are. There it is. Nice snook. Nice snooky on the old gulp. Thanks, Yankee. That's what I came for. It's a nice little releaser. There he is. Thanks, Bubba. Yoo! Come on now. Well, y'all, fishing was slow with that swim bait, so I want even more aggressive and I'm throwing top water now. Still throwing that that gulp though, so that's at least positive there. But let's see if they like the top water on the cloudy day. Nice fish. What is this? I don't know, I can't tell yet. Snook. Nice snook. Come here, Mr. Snooky. No, the gulp. Gulp. Woo! There he is. Thanks, Mr. Gulp. Gulp's killing it.
That's the Snook gulp?
Yeah. Nice little snooky. Probably about a 22, 3 or 4. What? GoPro's about to die, so let's get a release before it dies. Thanks, Bubba. Oh, you can swim. You know that, right? There he goes. Nice. Second of the day, baby. Right off that point. Yeah. Yeah. Absolute giant black drum right here. I mean, look at him. Two of them. Two monsters. Wow. That's cool. I don't know if you could see him there, right out there. I'll try and tie on a quick bait, but I probably ain't gonna eat no goddamn gulp. Alrighty, dirty little hoggers. We're going to the last and final spot, aka our starting spot, just because it's close to the ramp. But Logan's got a few shrimp left, so we're gonna soak some shrimp and maybe get a final red right before the end of the day. That'd be sweet, but we'll see. I'll catch you at the spot. I can do that.
What the hell? That was right in front of...
Recording that whole time, damn it. It's a cat. It's got to be a catfish.
Man.
No, I can't see it. Ah, it's a jack. Need shark bait? That's crazy. That thing hit at your kayak.
No, literally right here.
Yeah. Perfect. Great way to end.
I'm so glad you caught so many fish today, man. Good job.
Last fish of the day. A little jack.
Good bait. Let's keep.
I know, that's what I was saying. Shark bait.
Look at that.
What?
Keep missing it.
The,
We're not keeping.
the
When I have
jack.
a boat, we're keeping all these things.
The Jackie. Yeah, we don't have a cooler, otherwise I would. Last fish of the day, cute little jack. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Anyway, thanks y'all for watching. We did pretty decent. Caught,
Tell them I'm not coming back out here.
Logan's never coming back out apparently. But I did alright. Caught 2 snook.
Not in this kayak.
Yeah, 2 snook. Caught a red on topwater, so that was really cool. And then a bunch of jacks. But otherwise, it was a good day. I mean, I caught fish. I can't complain. Logan's upset, but it is what it is. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Hopefully, we're on Logan's new boat. We'll see. Peace.